Susan, Sophie Ryan's mum. From a parent's perspective, the course has given her great confidence. She's actually loved learning and being part of an education facility, doing a registered course, something that's important, and then taking that to work and being employed in meaningful employment. So a really big purpose to go to work every day and know that she's actually working like the rest of her family are. Doing the TAFE course and going to work on the bridge project, or with all her projects each day, for us as parents, we've actually seen that it's created a lot of independence with Sophie. That's probably something, you wonder how independent your child's going to be. She's become extremely independent. She's been able to use a lot of the skills. She has a little cleaning job in Kyabram on a weekend that she does using the skills that she's learned here. She's been volunteering with some deliveries in Kyabram, helping out with those things, and she's learnt probably communication skills. Will actually engage in a conversation, not just a yes/no answer, and that's actually massive because previously Soph would have walked away from a conversation rather than actually engaged in a conversation. So I think it's just continually learning life skills and feeling like you're a part of something. And if she sees somebody that's working on the bridge, not necessarily somebody from Vivid, but somebody from McConnell Dowell, it's just they're workmates. They're not, they're not different, they're not special, they're just part of the work crew.
I drive myself to work each morning, and starting at 7 each morning, and it's been good driving from Kyabram and to Echuca each day. It's been really funny to work on the bridge and other places, doing other jobs that I haven't done in quite a while, and it's been a lot of fun.